Hey there folks, Nick here. I apologise I haven't made a proper video in well, at least a week. I've been in Melbourne, which is about 600 k's south of Mildura, because Shan, my wife, has been having surgery. We've been down there for a bit over a week, and I've not really had very good internet or much else down there. But I hope you guys have been having an awesome time while I've been away. I hope you've been enjoying the videos of me playing Need for Speed Payback. Here's a couple of little videos that I took while... Random bug. Here's a couple of little videos that I took while I was away. I didn't take a lot because, you know, the subject matter of our purpose of being down there wasn't fantastic. So, as I said, didn't film a lot, but filmed a couple little bits and pieces. Hey there, Baz. You missed me, did you? So anyway, hope you guys enjoy these little clips that I took while I was away. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hey there folks, Nick here. Just thought I'd show you something really cute that I found before. Look at the baby birdies. Hello, you guys hungry? Hello mummy bird. And that's mummy bird. With some... Oh my god, focus. Mummy bird. She's trying to swoop me. Oh look at this, so cute. Alright, I'll leave you alone. Go see your babies. What a bunch of galahs. Thank you, how are you?
Okay. So sir, we're getting some reports about your internet connection. I believe you know that because my junior technician already telling you, right? About your internet problem.
Sure.
So can you please turn on the computer? Then I will help you to show you every problem.
The computer is already on. What's all the noise in the background? I can barely hear you. It sounds like my computer's already on, mate, but I can barely hear you. It sounds like you're in a market.
Sir, I can't hear you properly. Do you have another number? Then I will ring you another number.
Mate, it sounds like you're in a market there. This is the only number I have.
Sorry?
Are you at a soccer match or something? Are you at a soccer match at the moment? It sounds like you're at a party.
Probably the same guy.
Probably. Hello? I cannot hear anything. Are you there? Do you require assistance? Can I help you? Would you like me to call the authorities? Do you need help? Scream if you need help.
You need doctors.
Hello?
Hello?
It's his phone call. It's costing him money, not. Leave a comment below wishing my wife the best of luck if you like, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
Jazz Club.